Hey everyone, it's Sonia here, and today I'm diving into something that absolutely blew my mind. 500 A Pop by James and Max. They've found a crazy simple way to generate consistent $500 payments every single day by solving one of the oldest problems in online business. Here's the deal. There are millions of businesses around the world that, believe it or not, still don't have a website. Sounds insane, right? In 2025 and 2026, you'd think every business would be online, but they're not. And on top of that, millions more have terrible, outdated sites that scare customers away. Everyone knows they need a professional online presence, but most small businesses get stuck because traditional web agencies charge $5,000 to $10,000, and even then, the client doesn't know what they'll actually get. That's where 500 A Pop completely flips the game. Instead of begging clients to imagine how their future website might look, James and Max's system shows them the finished product up front, before they ever pay a cent. The website is fully built in seconds, personalized with the business's name, logo, and branding. The client sees exactly what they'll get, and 9 times out of 10, they say, "Wow, this looks amazing. I'll take it." The best part? It costs almost nothing to produce these sites, because everything is powered by AI automation. You can do it from anywhere in the world. No tech skills, no coding, no design degree needed. If you can click a button, you can do this. Think about it. You're delivering real value to business owners who are thankful to pay you. That's why they call it 500 A Pop, $500 per project, over and over again. But James and Max even say that $500 is just the entry point. Many of their clients pay more, and there are literally millions of potential businesses out there waiting for this kind of offer. Inside the 500 A Pop program, they walk you through exactly how to build these websites in seconds, and more importantly, how to get them in front of the right people. You'll learn how to identify businesses that need help, how to reach out effectively, and how to turn those leads into paying customers without any complicated marketing funnels or ads. It's straightforward, actionable, and perfect if you want to start an online income stream fast. And here's where it gets even better. You're not just making one-time $500 sales. The system also shows you how to earn recurring commissions on the back end, for things like hosting, domains, and tools that your clients need anyway. That means every project you deliver can keep generating passive income month after month. To me, that's what makes this concept so powerful. It's a true win-win. Businesses get a stunning, ready-to-use website for a fraction of the usual cost, and you get paid for helping them succeed. Plus, the demand will never disappear. Every business needs a website today, tomorrow, and 10 years from now. So if you're looking for something that's simple, scalable, and backed by real demand, 500 A Pop is definitely worth checking out. I've dropped the link below. Go take a look, get inspired, and start building your own $500 projects today. You might just find that this crazy new way is exactly the opportunity you've been waiting for.